Life, lifestyle diseases. Now, what is this lifestyle disease? Is this any new kind of disease? No, this is not a new kind of disease. But yes, our lifestyle causes many diseases. Actually, what happened, ever since laptops and cell phones got integrated with our life, three factors have come to dominate our lifestyle, which is quite different from that of our parents or at least our grandparents. हुआ क्या था कि जब से हमारी लाइफ में लैपटॉप्स और सेल फोन्स आए हैं, तब से हमारी लाइफ में ऐसे तीन फैक्टर्स आ गए हैं जिन्होंने हमारी लाइफस्टाइल को पूरी तरह से डोमिनेट कर दिया हुआ है। जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ है कि हमारा जो लाइफस्टाइल है ना, वो हमारे पेरेंट्स से बहुत अलग हो गया है और हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से तो बहुत ज्यादा अलग हो गया है। और ये तीन फैक्टर्स हैं कौन से? These three factors are, first and the foremost factor is the junk food, or what we call is the canned food. Yes, of course, the junk food or the canned food including pizza, burger, potato chips, noodles, chocolates, canned juice, etc. are one of our favorite products. But the unlimited consumption is causing harm not to anyone else but to the consumer itself. Yes, of course, हम इसके जो consumption है उसको हम 100% avoid तो नहीं कर सकते. We can't avoid the 100% consumption of these products, but then also it is true that we can limit the consumption. कुछ लिमिट में इनको अगर हम कंज्यूम करें then it's okay, but unlimited consumption is of course not good. The next factor causing the lifestyle disease is the lack of physical activities. Yes, of course. Now most of you will say, what else we can do? Because of the situations, we have to stick to our laptops, our phones, etc. But then we also know that it is harmful for us only. We are all the time glued to the TV or the computer screen. Computer games have replaced outdoor games. There are no parks to play. Yes, of course, in some cities there are parks, but in most of the places still the people are not having that much of parks where the kids can play, where they can go for the walk or other physical activities. We are loaded with unmanageable amount of homework. Unmanageable amount of homework. Why? Because there are a lot of coaching classes after our school hours. Even small kids of playway are going to the tuitions or the coaching classes. And it's not only that parks are not available, the kids are now more prone to the mobile games or the video games, etc. And this lack of physical activities is really causing harm, not only physically but also mentally. Now, the next factor causing the lifestyle diseases is the dominance of laptops, e-readers, cell phones. We read a lot on our laptops. Our projects and presentations are prepared on our laptops. A lot of time is taken up by WhatsApp. And not only WhatsApp, but other social medias like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc. etc. Yes, of course, we cannot avoid these two, but then also it's true that we can limit the timings of using these laptops, e-readers and cell phones, not for anyone else but for ourselves. Although we know the Although we know the limitations of all these factors, yet we cannot avoid using these. Yes, of course, we know that these factors are adversely impacting the quality of our life. We have already started falling prey to a plethora of lifestyle diseases. And to avoid these lifestyle diseases, yes, of course, we have to change our lifestyle. We have to introduce some physical activities in our lifestyle, in our day-to-day routine, so that we can get rid of some of the diseases.